Hey everyone, welcome to another Tech Tip Tuesday, where we're discussing tech tips that are useful for you in your everyday life and in ways that are easy to understand. Alright, let's get started. In today's Tech Tips for Entrepreneurs video, we're going to be going over Instagram and how to get started using Instagram and the basics of it. So I already have the Instagram app open, and I'm going to walk you through the interface real quick. So you can see on the bottom is I have home, search, where I can search for different videos, hashtags, user accounts. I can click on the heart button, which is going to show me all of my notifications, and then profile, which is where I'm going to go and add different profile photos, edit my profile, see my posts, my followers. I can edit. If you have your profile set to business, you'll get promotions and insights, but personal accounts will not have that. And then you're going to see down below here, I can see all my posts, if I've done any reels right there. In IGTVs I've uploaded, and then anything I've been shared in right here. If I wanted to edit my profile, I click edit profile. If I wanted to change my profile, I can click this blue button right here. And that's going to do the profile reel section. Next is we're going to talk about stories. So stories are a way for people to share quick versions of what's going on in their life. So if I was to click my picture right there, I can now do my own story, and you can see this set automatically to selfie cam. Then I have a couple options I can do right here. I can change it to be different filters if I would like it to be different filters. There's also options to put text, the boomerang, and a couple of different options that you can read right there. We're not going to go into those because that's more than this video is about. This is just about the basics of how to get started. And then if I was happy with that, I can, with my story, I can start recording my story right here. And I can hold this down while I'm recording my story, and once I let go, it's going to show me a preview of my story. And then I'd click next to share that. All right, so that's it for stories. If you want to watch your friends' stories, you just click on their photo right here. And you can click on that, and it's going to show you their story. Next is going to be the main part of Instagram, which is the scrolling, or where you can see people's other posts. So you can see as I scroll, I'm scrolling through people's posts that I follow. And then if I want to like their post, I can either click on that heart, or I can double click on the photo. Then I can comment on the photo. I could send this to people, or I could save this post for later. I can also click on view all comments if I just want to read the other comments, which I can also comment or do reactions right there as well. All right, up here in the top right is going to be the messages, where I can check messages I've received from people. You have a primary box and a general box, and then you can also see if there's people that want to talk to you by clicking on requests. Next, we're going to talk about how to create your own Instagram post. We just did stories, which is a different section of Instagram. A post is going to be how your feed shows up down here. So if I click that plus icon right there, I can now do a post. An Instagram post starts with a photo or a video. And you can see I can actually change it from post to story or live down in the bottom. And for right now, I'm just going to do a photo. So if I was to click next, then I can do touch up right there. I can also change what type of filter I want to use. And then you can also edit the filter and get more granular with how you want to do that. So once I'm happy with my own filter, I can click next. And then I can write a caption for my video. Additionally, I can tag people in it. I can add a location. Again, if you have a business account, you can create a promotion. Also, you can post this to other accounts as well. So I have this linked to my Facebook account, so I can actually automatically post this to my Facebook business page as well. Once I'm happy with that post and how it looks, I can click share, and it's going to share that post on my Instagram feed. All right, so we're going to go over two other things, which is going to be how to, we already talked about the stories. If you have Reels enabled, sometimes Reels are not enabled, and it could be due to several different things. I can't troubleshoot this on that video, but if you have Reels, you can go through Reels and do that. So how to do a live. A Instagram live is when you go live on Instagram and you can talk with your followers in real time. So if I was to start this, I could press this button and I would go live, and then I'd be talking to my followers and they can interact with me in real time. Now this is useful if you're doing a unboxing or if you want to do a product demo, something that has more engagement. All right, that's going to be it for Instagram Basics. Thanks for joining me for another Tech Tip Tuesday. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to this channel. I release a new video every Tuesday. All right, see you in the next one.